Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. It's the girl, Lady M here, and in today's video, I am excited to come at you with another one brand tutorial. I'm going to be doing a full face of One Size by Patrick Starr. I don't know if it's One Size Beauty or just One Size by Patrick Starr. That is going to be the brand that is going to be featured today in today's video. So yes, I'm using a lot of new products that just came out from One Size that I picked up during my Sephora haul. So if you're interested in seeing what my thoughts are and what are some products that I used in today's video, then be sure to keep on watching. Let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. So I just quickly wanted to show you guys what this looks like. So that is the packaging right there. And it has the typical red colors from One Size. So I already primed. I'm just going to show you, it comes out like a liquid, but this kind of balmy kind of texture. And I already feel like I put too much on. This says that it is medium coverage, but I feel like it is way more than medium coverage. And that's what I'm gonna put. So again, the color that I used is dark 2. I think that's what it's called. Yeah, dark 2. And it's so weird because in this formulation, the dark 2 is golden, and in the powder, this same shade is going to be a neutral undertone. So that is a big difference between the product. All right, so I finished blending out concealer. I did use the One Size translucent powder to set my under eye, and I did go in with a little bit of Turn Up the Base foundation powder to kind of set my face. So now I have 2 products here, well 3 products here from One Size that just came out. This is the Made for Shade Bronze and Sculpt Trio, and I have the Dark Trio. And then I also have 2 of the Cheek Clapper. That's so funny, these names. I have Firestarter and I have Rich Betch. And Firestarter is gonna be like the perfect color for the summertime. It is that orange shade, I would say. Not orange, but like that coral. Yeah, no, like orange. So that's what that one looks like. How gorgeous is that? So that is perfect for the summer. And these come with a cream blush, and then you have a matte blurring matte buildable blush, and then you have like a highlighter or like a blush topper. So those are the 3 things that come into these trios. So I'm not going to use that one today, but I am going to use the bronzer, and I'm going to use Rich Betch, and then I'll show you what does look like. And then just take a look at the packaging of both. So this one is the Bronze and Sculpt Trio, and then this one is the Cheek Clapper. So just 2 different colors, and then they have the One Size logo. So before I go in, I'm gonna go in with the bronzer products. And honestly, I thought this was creams at first. So there is the Sculpt shade is on the bottom, the bronze shade, and then they call it like a perfector shade. I'm not gonna go in with the Sculpt, but I'm gonna go in with the bronzer shade. Wow, that's so pretty. You guys, maybe I should have swatched it so you guys will be able to see what it looks like, but let me swatch this Sculpt shade because I don't know what that, oh, it is pretty dark. Wow. So you could see the difference with the Sculpt and then with the bronzer. Bronzer is definitely going to give you more color. And then that's like the third shade in the trio. So wow, that bronzer is nice. So bronzed, no bronze. Do we see that? Yes. Show you guys what this looks like. This is the cream blush right here. Then you have the powder, and then you have like your highlighter situation going on here. Today I don't think I really want to use the cream because I already went in with the powder bronzer, and I would have preferred to apply the cream product before I went in with the powder. So I am just gonna go in with this color here, which I feel like is a nice contrast, I guess, or it goes with the green that I have on my eyes. So there we have it. And you guys, I have to say that, let me just swatch these for you guys so you guys can see. That's the blush color right there, and then that is the highlight. I think I'm also gonna skip on the highlight because I don't really need it for this look, but I kind of wanted to show you guys what that would look like as well. There we go. So here we go with that. The only thing I don't have today from One Size is some lip products. So this is like totally the full face. I am here for it. You know, I probably put the little highlight on my brow bone. I don't know, but yeah, I'm really enjoying this today. All right, so I finished off my face, and you know, One Size, I feel like you're doing the damn thing because I use the new foundation, the Turn Up the Base BB Cream. I used that for my foundation today. I did go in pretty much, you know, we doing these one brand tutorials. So everything really was all one brand except for my eyes, my lips, and that's just because I don't own anything from One Size in that category. So I did use other brands. I did use the, trying to grab it, the concealer. I used the setting powder to set my under eye, and then I did use the foundation to set my face. But you guys, the star of the show has got to be, where is it? This, what is this? Cheek clapper? Yo, this is lit. I did not use the highlighter. I just went in with the powder blush, and I didn't really use the cream because I had already applied the bronzer. So this is legit, but my favorite product that I have used today was, hold please, oh, it's right here. And I forgot I do have the primer. I didn't use the primer, but I do own the primer as well. Now, this contour bronzer trio, whatever, is amazing. When I first put the bronzer on, you guys, it looked so good. Like, I didn't even need to really go in with any blush, but I went in with the blush because I wanted to test the blush out. This legit bomb. This might become my new favorite bronzer. I'm not even gonna lie. I forgot that I still had the swatches on my arm. If you could still see that. But yeah, I really loved these new products from One Size. I feel like they did a good job. They're buttery, they're soft, they're blendable, they're not patchy. They just went in really nice. And these went nicely on top of the foundation because I did use the foundation. So I felt like all the products blended really, really nicely. I think one size, I'm saying though, you did that. This is bomb. So I really enjoyed doing this one brand tutorial. Let me know in the comments, what are some of your favorite products from One Size? Let me know. Let's talk about it. Like I said, the one thing that I probably didn't really care for is the powder. But other than that, I always use the concealer. That wasn't anything new to me. But the foundation, the blush, the bronzer were all new to me. And I really, really liked them. They performed very well. So yeah, I think I found some new favorites here. All right, guys, let me know what your thoughts are on today's video. Let me know what was your favorite product, or what is your favorite product. And if you aren't subscribed, then please take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. Definitely turn on your notification bells because you don't want to miss any of these uploads. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.